Glam Fam, welcome to my channel. Y'all, I wanted to show y'all these trays that I made. I used some epoxy on this. I saw this thing on Wayfair, y'all. It was $95. And it was like $30 for me to make this. And I got a coaster. So, if you'd like to see how I made it, stay tuned. Okay, Glam Fam, so what we're going to use for this particular project is our glue gun, glue sticks. We're going to use our mosaic tile. We're also going to use some tile that I purchased from dieflart.com. We're going to use 2 canvases that I've already painted, and I've already put the tile on here because this is time consuming and it's tedious. We're also going to use these, well, they call them confetti, and I use some of this and some like the diamond kind, and I just mixed them together. And this is what it looks like. Okay, we're going to use maybe a brush, and we're going to use some epoxy resin. The epoxy that I use is super clear, and that's because it's food safe. I use it on a lot of DIYs, so I'll try to link it in the description box. I seen a tray at Wayfair, and the tray was like $95, y'all. And I'm going to recreate that, but I'm also going to make a coaster to go with it. So the first thing we're going to do is, well, the first thing we did do is put the towel on there like that, like so. And I did paint this silver, and I will like link these because it was 3 in a pack. I will link it in the description box. And you can order off Amazon. So we're going to take our tiles and we're going to put tiles around here. Okay, y'all, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to fill the coaster and tray with these beads. Okay, so we're going to mix our epoxy together in 1 cup. Okay, Glam Fam, look at how our coaster and tray turned out. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. It's wet on the bottom now because I work coffee, but it is so pretty. So this is the end result. Wayfair, who? Yeah, they charged me $95 for this. Really? So tell you what I'm gonna do is have me some brownies and coffee. Y'all come on. Yeah, okay, so I know I do not need that brownie, neither one of them, but I'm gonna eat both of them. Who gonna check me? So y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. I'm gonna enjoy this brownie, and if you like what you see, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And y'all, I am so grateful for the support. Keep it coming. Please keep it coming. Thank you, and have a blessed day.